and we start from a basic shape, okay, very basic shape, okay. This point, this point, this point, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, those are the points of contact of our circle. If I take a circle template, okay, as you can see, when I draw a circle inside a square, those are the 4 points of contact of our circle. Keep in mind this little rule, okay? But what happens when we are on a tilted plane? When we make a perspective of a car in a tilted plane, we go from a side view to this type of perspective, okay? 3/4 front, 3/4 back. Let's make the first shape. Okay, so now that we did this shape, okay, which is this one, okay, now we can do the top. Okay, so now we have, in perspective, 3/4 front, tilted plane, the side of this shape. We're gonna put also the square for our wheels. When we make a 3/4 front, 3/4 back, tip up perspective, a perspective, we have vanishing points. We have a vanishing point on the left, and we have a vanishing point on the right. Now, because we made a big drawing, the vanishing point on the right are there, very far, okay? Somewhere there. And the vanishing point on the left, very far, are on the left, for those lines here. You see, they're all pointing to the same vanishing point. When we make an object in perspective, okay, making a small drawing, it's easier. But when we make cars, we don't make cars small, we make car big. So we have to learn, okay, we have to learn how to judge where those vanishing points are. Okay? So this is very important. So when I talk about vanishing points, right and left, it is exactly this, okay? Now, those 2 points into this drawing are very far because drawing is very big. Do you remember the points of contact? We divide the square in 4 equal parts. Okay, so let's do it. So when I go and put my ellipses to make the wheels in the right perspective, now, where are the axes of those 2 ellipses? We have 2 axes, you know, when we make an ellipse, okay? We have a minor axe. You see, this is an ellipse. As you can see, from here to here it's minor, from here to here it's major. You see? Typical of an ellipse. Now, when we draw our ellipses, that are our wheels, in perspective, 3/4 front, in this perspective, 3/4 front or 3/4 back, what it's really important for you to know where the minor axis will point, to which vanishing point. There you go. And this one is here. That's where the minor axis will go. If your 3/4 front has the side of the car, okay, on the right, this is the right one, then the vanishing point to take into account for your wheel ellipsis, it's on the opposite side. The opposite. So, right side, left vanishing points. And that's exactly what we have here. As you can see, the ellipses are tilted, you know? That's the right position. Now, if I turn this, we find ourselves in the other context. Our side, the one we can see, it's on the left side. This is the left side, okay? That have their minor axis going to the right vanishing point. All right? So remember, if your side visible, it's on the right of your sketch, the minor axis of your ellipse will follow the opposite vanishing point. In this case, it's the left one. If your side visible of your car, it's on the left of the car sketch, then the vanishing points you have to take care of is the opposite of the left, which means the right vanishing point that is here, somewhere. I hope that this explanation helps you to understand how to draw your wheels. Thank you. If you like this video, please share. If you like to offer me a coffee, you can always touch the super thanks button. Thanks. Ciao. Subscribe.